Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about effective of drinking espresso. You understand? That is what we're going to dive into today. I want you to join me. I'm going to explain how you can start boosting your energy with espresso coffee. Believe me, it worked out. It worked for me. It will work for you. You just have to follow me and explore espresso live from Munich, right here in my residence, Nkemdirim AGOHA. So my guys, let's get started right here with immediate effect. You understand? So instead of drinking energy drink, all this type of unhealthy drinks that is not good for your body, that is not good for your mental fit, that is not good for your strength. You understand? So I want you to replace it with espresso coffee to boost your energy. If you are looking something to boost your energy, guy, right here, you're gonna learn something different today. So let's dive into our espresso coffee. I'm going to explain everything. You understand? So guys, here is my espresso coffee machine. If you don't have this type of machine, you understand, you can go to restaurant, you can order your espresso coffee, but for those who love to drink coffee, maybe you can get this type of machine. You understand? At the moment, it's not too expensive. It's very, very cheap. You understand? And then you have your very good espresso. This one, I can reset it. If I want normal coffee, if I want espresso coffee, you understand? Then it will now guide me to get what I want. So guys, now let's take our espresso coffee. You understand? You know, it comes in a very small quantity. So now we're going for our espresso. Okay, you see it? So it's coming up. So guys, I want you guys to always to start drinking espresso coffee. Very, very good, very, very effective. Instead of drinking energy drink, please, I encourage you guys to start drinking espresso to replace energy drink, all this stuff that is not good for your health. You understand? You can see, oh my God, look at it. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at this wonderful espresso. So now we're going to have it and enjoy it. You see, it comes in a very small cup. That's the difference between a large coffee and a small espresso coffee. With this, I'm going to gain the whole energy I need for the whole day. Instead of drinking energy drink, I replace it with my very lovely espresso coffee. So it's time now to enjoy our espresso coffee. Okay, come here, join me live. I'm start enjoying. I want to boost my energy. So guys, one love, toast. Oh my God, this is very, very fantastic. You understand? So please, if you want to boost your energy, you understand, instead of drinking energy drink, please replace it with good, lovely espresso. You can get it anywhere. You understand? You know, I love you guys. I will always keep you guys updated. You know what I mean? Espresso is the best way to boost your energy. I want you guys to stay fit and stay productive. You understand? So guys, love this video, share this video, subscribe my channel. If it's your first time, please make sure you subscribe the channel. You understand? So that you can always be informed to the latest movie and the latest whatever that is going on. You understand? So guys, I'm going to leave you guys. Goodbye from Munich, Nkemdirim AGOHA. One love. I love you guys. So